In the following video, I'll show you how my Degrees app is running correctly. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and open my terminal and run the project. Let's wait for the data to download. I'm gonna start by testing the example in the project specification. Okay, so I'll start explaining you how I made it works. So I implemented the breadth first search algorithm. I used a frontier with a queue data structure in which I would explore each of the nodes, which represent the actors. Every time I explored a node, I would find its neighbors, I would add them to the frontier, and given that I used a queue, the first one to get in the frontier was the first one to get out. So that way we could find the shortest path between the two actors. In order to make it more efficient, before putting in the queue the neighbor nodes, I would check each node. If it was the target node, I would find the path connecting the source with the target, and that was the path that I would return in a Python list data structure. So that's how I implemented the Degrees project. Let's try another example so that I can show you that it's working correctly. Let's wait for the data to download. Okay. Leonardo DiCaprio. Okay, so as you can see, there's a 2-degree separation between Will Smith and Leonardo DiCaprio. Will Smith and Gene Hackman starred in Enemy of the State, and Gene Hackman and Leonardo DiCaprio starred in The Quick and the Dead. So with these two cases, I proved to you that the application is running correctly. Thank you very much for your attention.